High up in the mountains, snow and ice glisten like diamonds. Melting snow trickles down, forming tiny streams. These streams tumble down the slopes, gaining momentum and size. They join together, becoming powerful rivers that carve their way through valleys. The rivers flow onward, eventually reaching vast lakes or the boundless ocean. Water is always moving, always changing. Look closer and you'll see it sparkle in the sunlight. Listen carefully and you can hear its gentle music. It's a breathtaking spectacle, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Water sustains all life on Earth. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, every living creature relies on it. Plants need water to grow, animals need it to drink, and even we humans need it to survive. Without water, our planet would be a very different place. It's a precious resource, one that we must cherish and protect. Water may seem like it's constantly moving, but it's actually on an incredible journey. It's a journey with no beginning and no end, a continuous cycle powered by the sun. We call this the water cycle. The sun's warmth evaporates water from rivers, lakes and oceans, turning it into invisible vapor. This vapor rises into the atmosphere, where it cools and condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. As the clouds become heavy with moisture, the water falls back to Earth as rain, snow or hail. This is called precipitation. Some of this water soaks into the ground, replenishing groundwater reserves. The rest flows over the land, finding its way back into rivers, lakes, and eventually the ocean. The water cycle is a wonderful process, constantly replenishing and purifying our planet's water supply. It's a delicate balance, one that we must strive to maintain. As our population grows, so does our need for fresh water. We've built impressive structures and systems to help us collect, store and distribute this precious resource: dams, reservoirs and pipelines. Dams are massive barriers built across rivers, creating artificial lakes called reservoirs. These reservoirs store vast amounts of water, ensuring a reliable supply for cities and towns, even during dry periods.
From the reservoirs, water is transported through a network of underground pipelines. These pipelines, like arteries carrying lifeblood, deliver water to our homes, schools, and businesses. It's a complex system, a testament to human ingenuity and our reliance on this precious resource.
These engineering marvels are essential for meeting our water needs. They highlight our ability to harness natural resources. However, it's crucial to remember that these structures must be built and managed responsibly. Section 4. From source to sip, making water safe. Before we can enjoy a refreshing glass of water, it undergoes a remarkable transformation. From its natural source, water embarks on a journey through sophisticated treatment plants, ensuring it's safe and clean.
The first step is filtration. Water passes through layers of sand, gravel, and charcoal, removing dirt, debris, and other impurities. Next comes coagulation and flocculation. Chemicals are added to the water, causing tiny particles to clump together, making them easier to remove.
Afterward, the water undergoes sedimentation. The heavier particles settle to the bottom, and the clear water is then filtered again, this time through fine membranes, removing even the smallest contaminants. Finally, the water is disinfected, usually with chlorine or ultraviolet light, to kill any harmful bacteria or viruses. Thorough testing ensures that the water meets the highest quality standards before it flows from our taps, ready to quench our thirst. Water sustains all life on Earth. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, every living creature relies on it.
Plants need water to grow, animals need it to drink, and even we humans need it to survive. Without water, our planet would be a very different place.
It's a precious resource, one that we must cherish and protect.
Indeed, conserving water is essential for our future.